Brother Steven.
Very good afternoon.
Yes, how are you? Please sit down, sit down, sit down. Oh. How are you preparing for the new program?
Everything's going fine.
Everything is going fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see. Yes, tell me. How was my performances yesterday?
Daddy, very, very good. You are really son of God. In fact, Jesus himself.
No. Jesus. I am not Jesus. Okay? I am not Jesus. Jesus. I am more like Kakasa.
Kakasa.
Yes, Kakasa.
Daddy, I would like to be like you.
That is wonderful. There you come. If you must be like me, like Kakasa, you have to obey instructions.
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah, what's up, baby?
I'm okay.
Can we go out today?
Yeah, why not? Choma will stay at home so she can pick up home.
No, I'm sorry. Chioma is coming with us.
No, she isn't coming with us.
Then we're not going.
Listen, you've not told me what you say in that girl. Huh? What is it about Choma that you love?
I know you don't understand, so let me explain to you.
I'm listening.
Good. See, while growing up, I never had a sister. So when I saw Chioma, there was this thing unique about her. So I decided and said I was going to give her all the treatment she deserved as a sister. So now you see.
Okay, I've heard you.
Don't worry, I'm fine, okay? So, are we still going out?
I don't have a problem with that. That's fine.
No problem. Thank you. So let me just get one or two things from the room and
Okay.
I'll go. Just let her know, okay?
Auntie,
What is it?
we did that with December. Me, I won't travel December.
You want to travel? So that you go home and be disturbing Mama, abi?
No, I won't go look masquerade now. No, masquerade they carry me go to.
Hi. Hello.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. You guys are watching.
Yeah, Choma, just finish up with the washing, okay?
No shaking.
Let's go inside and eat.
You just go in. I'll meet you up, okay? Let me just help Choma to wash some of these few clothes. Yeah,
You want to wash?
Please,
let's go. You just came back from work. You need to eat.
No, brother, no, sure.
I insist. No, insist. Let's go.
Okay, in that case, Choma, have you eaten? No, I know you've not eaten. Hey, let's just go inside together and eat. I think it's better that we eat together since you don't want us to wash together. Let's just eat together. Maybe in the process of eating, I'll just wash my hand as well. If you need. And Choma, just go now. Ladies first. Choma.
Chioma, sister, my friend. So what's happening? Obviously. Sorry for what's happening. So I don't say what you do na bad thing abi. Come me. Me na the hug. No wahala, no. No wahala, don't say to shame. Jesus. Let me you pour water.
What is it, Choma? What is wrong with you?
You don't beat my body. They can't want to pull me. Leave me out. Leave me today. I want me to start today. Leave me. Leave me out. Leave me.
Brother Frank, What is the problem? I heard your voice outside.
Is it not Chioma? She went fighting again.
Chioma. Chioma, what is wrong with you? Eh? Are you out of your mind? Listen, first thing tomorrow morning, you're leaving my house. You're going back to the village.
Auntie! Now let me solve my troubles, oh!
Come on, shut up! Silly girl, next time you'll be fighting around.
Chioma, please sit. And tell me, why do you always fight?
Now never my trouble, oh.
And what trouble are you talking about?
They just carry the water pour from my body.
See, but you think fighting with them in return is the best option, Chioma?
Yes, so.
Now. Also it's supposed to be.
Not be so it's supposed to be. You can always avoid them. Always try your best to make sure you avoid them. You're shaking your head. Now come here. Come here. Chioma. Always be a good girl, huh? Come on, child.
Yes, sir.
Put a smile on that face now. That's it. Chioma, Chioma.
Brother Frank. What of my brother? I never see him since so.
Oh. He will soon be back. Okay? Yeah.
Voila. Imagine my boots.
Master this.
Now you saved that for video today where we.
Alright, you don't need it. Move it down. Big. Yeah?
Get today where.
I love you, Chioma.
Don't love me, oh.
Come on, Chioma. Do you know you're no longer a child?
I will tell brother.
Please, Chioma. Please.
No.
I mean, you're not a small girl. You're no longer a small girl. Look at you.
How?
Exactly what I'm talking about. Look at you, Chioma. I mean, you're a big girl now. No more a small girl. Huh?
My brother find and go beat me.
Come on. You won't do such thing. Now look at it. You have all it takes. Everything to be a wife. And I admire you so much. Come on, Chioma.
Oh, I didn't fear.
Come here, come here.
I'm not fit.